Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine on this day. I hope you all had a good Diwali, you all had a good memorable time, you all made good memories with your family and family members actually because we were not allowed to go out because the lockdowns have become more strict and more hard now, and we had to do with our own family members. So I hope you all had a good time lighting all the diyas and lighting lamps, and I've seen some good pictures where everybody had decorated their houses in India. So it was such a good sight for me to see, and thank you for sharing your pictures with me on Instagram. I really loved all the sweets which y'all made, and y'all sent me so much of sweets. Believe me, friends, this time I just didn't have any sweet this year. I didn't make sweets at home, nothing. I didn't even go to purchase. So this was my first Diwali where I didn't eat my favorite Indian sweets. So that's all good actually. I was feeling very happy that I didn't taste any sweet and sugary items this Diwali. But hopefully by next year everything will be all right. And friends, today's topic is a very interesting topic because some of my Indian friends wanted me to share some good remedies because sometimes the people have dark under eyes. I don't have, and but I can see some little bag because of just like that, and I don't have black eye bags, but people do have dark eye circles. So I'm going to share a good remedy, and this remedy can even be followed for your dark underarms also. And once you use this, you'll not have any bad smelling underarms at all, and you'll feel fresh once when you take a shower. And also for the dark eye treatment, you should first have a very good night's sleep, at least 8 to 9 hours. And when you have a day off like Saturday, Sundays, you all should sleep at least for 8 to 9 hours, I must say, and drinking water and keeping yourself hydrated. And how much you can drink water, drink coconut water, drink some detoxifying drinks and all. I've already shared one detoxification video for the kidneys, so please watch that also. And I cannot thank you all enough that you are watching me and making my channel grow up with all your family and friends. Thank you so much. And so friends, let's get started. What are the ingredients? We just need almond oil and Colgate toothpaste. So friends, you all know this is my almond oil, and this is the Colgate which I'll be using and showing how to use this. And make sure that you buy this Colgate cavity protection one because it doesn't have any other flavor except for white flavor, and there are no stripes of any other color. Just take very little. You just need a lentil size this one, and you just apply it. Just apply it very lightly. Make sure that it doesn't go into your eyes. I don't have any dark circles, but still I'm just trying to show you how. And you can even put this under your arms and all. So this is how it goes. And then after that, just take a drop of almond oil. I'll use another finger actually. So here is the oil. I hope you all can see the shining. So just rub it properly and massage it at least for 5 minutes. Just massage it well for 5 minutes. Open your eyes wide. Just apply it 5 minutes. Just keep massaging just like this. Just keep massaging, okay friends? I'm showing it to you so well that you don't get confused. So after massaging, I'll just go and wash my eyes and come. Give me just a second. So now after you've finished washing your eyes, I just took a cloth which has little milk on it, and I'm just going to damp it, and I just took some milk. I wetted this and it's quite wet. I have a little raw milk. Just keep it on your eyes for one minute and just keep massaging your eyes. So just keep it, friends. So you'll feel so cool and you'll smell good Colgate. I don't know what is this. This has become too thready now because it was really wetted well, and I'm soaking well and rubbing it well. So this is the remedy. And this remedy, friends, you can do it for continuously every day. You don't have to stop every day. Just when you're brushing, you can just keep almond oil with you and just put the toothpaste over here every day for 5 minutes. Your dark circles will reduce off by 50% in just 10 uses or 10 days itself. So this is so effective. And I have already mentioned one day when I was telling you how to massage your eyes with almond oil if you have headaches and all, and I had told you about that you can take your spit when you wake up early in the morning. That spit has all the goodness in it. You can just take that spit and rub it around your eyes, and with that your glasses will go away. You don't need glasses at all. But now these days children don't like to listen to all this and they don't feel it's very dirty. But these are all ancient remedies which really help for not getting dark circles. I also sometimes forget, but whenever I remember, I try to take my saliva and just try to rub it, and thank God I don't have any dark circles yet, but it can come with age, and I don't want to do it later when I get them. So I try to do how much ever good remedies and all I can do. I remember and I do it, friends. And friends, there are so many eye exercises. Just close your eyes and just do tapping on your eyes. Just like this. Just keep tapping, and just with your gentle fingers, just try to do exercise. And there are so many exercises. I can teach you 1 or 2 exercises today. Just take your thumb, keep it in front of your eyes, and just look only at your thumbnail. So just keep staring at your thumbnail, and after you have done this for count around 10 times. So once you have done this, you can again do the second exercise. And now you can just take this finger and try to see only at this finger and turn right and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now with this finger, you again take it to your left side and make your eyes go through them and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I hope you understood this exercise. So I've taught you to exercise how to see your own thumb and your own nail, but you'll have to stretch your thumbs to your forward. I was just showing you and just showing you to look at your nail, but so this one. And you can do the other exercise. Just look at your ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one more where your feet, you can see at your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I told you 4 exercises. These are very good for having good eyesight, not having dark circles. So I hope all this helps you, and you have a good eyesight. And sleep early. Don't wait and watch till 12 o'clock any show or anything. I try to make videos and send it by 10 or 11. Even I become late sometimes, but I hope you are watching my videos and more information and good information which I know from my grandparents and my parents. So I hope you all are following this, and these are all little small home remedies which we can do and be happy and not waste much money going to the doctors, using fairness creams, under eye treatments, because I know that I went and asked one time and I saw some L'Oreal under eye cream. It was so expensive. So I said, wow, we should do some home remedies and you don't have to buy expensive stuff actually. So I hope all this helps, and if you have liked my video and little information about this eye exercises, give it a like and comment and subscribe, and I'll get back to you if you need any answers. So have a good time, friends. Love you all.